horribly at local pull requests, so we're going to do some on github.com. Go into the pull requests. I see this great content. I can go in here and look at it. I can see what commits there are. I can see the file changed, so I can actually view the content. No, I can say that I viewed it. I can view the content. The Zoom and Loom are like fighting right now. Okay, fine. We will not view you. Copied. Oh, interesting. Okay, it will like not open view file. Okay, cool. Okay, so file, there's nothing in it, right? Is that, yeah. Cool, like it works. All right, so I can say, yeah, great. I compare it to a different tree, actually compare it to master, or these others, do some stuff, just it's great, and then and say, oi, it's so slow. And then I can say merge, because it has no conflict, so I'm good. Make a message, sure, confirm merge. I have an option for writing even more stuff about this merge.
And you just got updated on like the pull requests, like Sam's on the webpage.
Mm-hmm. And then comment is successfully merged. You even have the option of deleting branch. Like sometimes you may, I generally don't delete branches right away, but it is nice to kind of clean them up later. Sometimes it's like if the issue is closed and it's done, like go ahead, delete it. You can always make a new branch. Because then you end up with like 5 million branches in this branch list. But basically
and
now,
they eventually get to the master, right? It's like by the end.
Yeah, I merged it. So it says right here, into master this AB conference. Right. So now if I go to GitHub desktop and I go to master, so I can just switch around however I want. Oh yeah, if I changes, I can either merge them now or leave them. I have that choice. I'm gonna say switch and just leave my changes, and then master should tell me that I have branch things to pull. That's interesting. Not. Let's see, repository. So if you go to repository and you say pull, it should pull now. Okay, let's see if the file is in master. So yeah, so it's master again. So there's that file. So it doesn't recognize that you pull stuff, so you have to kind of remember on your own to do pull. Otherwise, it'll just have you do a merge locally. It was not the smoothest demo in the world, but hopefully it like kind of gives you a feeling of how branches work.
Yeah,
helpful. I feel like more times we go through it.
Yeah,
seeing the troubleshooting definitely helps too, and just seeing like how to move around in the space. So
yeah, and one good thing about Git is that like as long as your changes go somewhere, if they're in a branch or if they're in master. And like things get weird locally, you can just delete stuff. There's also another thing, like, so my branch had these changes. A lot of times it'll complain if you have changes locally. Let's say you're working and you're like, oh, this is such a mess. I just want the latest stuff from master. So let's make some code is stupid. I hate my teacher, right? So I don't want to set this and I'll get a bad grade, especially if I didn't spell code right. So I just want to, like, I want this out of my life. I was just having a bad night. I don't want her to see this. You can have desktop and say, I just want to lay stuff from master. You can say, what's it called? It's like, it's a different name than, we'll find it, branch, discard all changes. And what that'll do is it'll take the last thing that you pushed up to github.com, or the last thing that was checked in, right? So this is like not checked in GitHub at all right now. It's waiting for a commit. If I say, where did it just go? Discard all changes. Are you sure? Totally sure. It goes to the last thing that was checked in GitHub, and then you're good. So that's a nice feature too. And there's history too. You can go and say, you know what, everything that I checked in like sucks. I just want to go back to this one. You literally just click on it. Like, let's see, merge, added you rule. If I care, I think it'll just automatically switch it back. Okay, so right click on it, I can see what it is. And then if I right click on it, I can say revert to this commit. Oh yeah, I have changes. Okay, merge and commit changes. Oh, I need to like merge stuff. I'm not good at the stuff. Dang it. One change. Oh, okay, sorry. So I click on it, I revert, I go back changes. It says, here's basically the commit stuff. If I open this in Sublime now, I should see those weird edits. Yeah, and then I can use this instead. I'm going to merge back. Then if I'll just say fixed. And now I've basically got back in time. And so you can go around. And so I say, actually, now I want to go back here. It should me just switch revert to this commit. Just right, because there's no merge flick to fix. That's why. And now I'm gone to hopefully the one that has the convert to this. This is from AB contact. Okay, added this file. Changes. Huh. That contact page should appear. Okay, I'll get better at this stuff and do another demo someday. No different with a visual tool than it is like the code edit, like the Unix version that it's like my brain doesn't understand what it's asking of me. Okay, I'm gonna stop the demo.